Hi, my name is Sheila Dingkong and I will be your teacher facilitator for this course. It's Instructional Management 213 or Teaching Online Facilitation under the College of Education. This is your orientation video and you have to view this to give you a background on the course. So what we will do right now is go through the online course and check out the different topics and the different things that you need to do before we all start our class. Okay? I hope that this will be a challenging journey for you, but I'm sure you're going to be able to overcome this challenge in the next 3 weeks. Okay? So we will start. So this is the home page of our course. So there is the title, Teaching Online Facilitation for the Midterm Session. So I designed this especially for the midterm section, which will run for 3 weeks. Okay. I also handle this for 1 semester, and for teacher training, I give this for 6 weeks. This course, by the way, is an offshoot of a training I went through in 2010 from the World Bank Institute. So it's also it was a trainer's training on online facilitation, but specifically on disaster risk reduction and management. Okay, so let's look into our course. We see here a nice picture of a saying from a Chinese proverb: teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. Okay, so as teachers, we are really our guide to our students and not the sole exclusive owners of knowledge that we share in the classroom. Okay, so I hope we learn from each other, multiple ways, from teacher to student, from student to student, and from the materials and the environment that we are in. Okay. So teaching online facilitation is a full online course. This is a full online course on the fundamentals of teaching in virtual learning environment, which covers topics on the theories, pedagogy, and issues and trends in online learning, and the introduction of basic facilitation skills, strategies and techniques, and online course planning and design. Okay, if you see, it's quite a broad course. It includes a lot of things. So I hope we'll be able to cover everything. The class will utilize the Moodle-based MCE learning system. So we have Moodle as our virtual learning management system. Okay, here we have the latest news. This is where I will put in all the announcements, follow-ups, reminders for everybody. Every time I open up an activity, I will post the announcement here. So all the messages that I put in the latest news will be sent to your email. So I hope you can check it out every day. Then the support forum is a place for you to ask for help and assistance. Okay, if you have any problem, if you have any question or query, just post in the support forum and I will try my very best to answer it right away. Or even your classmates, those who are knowledgeable in the support request, we can all help in assisting our classmates. Okay? Then here we have the Learner's e-handbook. This is the first thing you need to open. So read me first, it says here. So we'll go through this first and see what's inside. Okay, so in the first page of our e-handbook is our welcome message and course orientation. So after creating this video, I will change the old one here and update it. Okay, because this is for last school year 15-16. Okay, next you have the course objectives and requirements. You can read through here, but I will also like to read this out to you. So it cannot be denied that information and communication technology and the internet have become part of people's everyday lives, from cellular phones, emails, business transactions, government services, including accessing social services like hailing a cab or ordering food delivery, and most evidently in education. Digital learning tools and applications have transformed the strategies and techniques of delivering instruction and acquiring knowledge into a whole new different ballgame. Card catalogs in the library and acetates for overhead projectors are now long gone and replaced with the OPAC system and the LCD projectors. Students nowadays, commonly known as the digital natives, have awakened into this world with email addresses and Facebook and Twitter accounts under one or several profile names. They learn in various ways based on their unique intelligences and interests. As teachers of 21st century learners, it's imperative that we equip ourselves with the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes to cater to our students' varying learning styles, including the need to be competent in digital educational technology. E-learning, particularly online facilitation, is one area where teacher education should provide training on to future academic professionals and even to current teachers to enable them to handle the increasing demand for teachers of blended and online courses. Okay? So here are our course objectives. At the end of this course, after 3 weeks, you should be able to achieve the following. I hope. Number 1, demonstrate online learning and understand the different underlying principles of this approach. I mean, describe online learning and understand the different underlying approaches to this type of learning delivery. Number 2, identify the different components and processes in facilitating online learning and explain the different phases of an online course delivery, including the tasks and roles within each phase. Okay? Number 3, demonstrate enabling attitudes to online learning and learn strategies for the delivery of an online course. Number 4, differentiate traditional instruction vis-a-vis online facilitation of the teaching and learning process. Number 5, critique the different literatures on e-learning as well as the actual process of learning online as experience. Okay? It is not all perfect. It's not written in stone. There's no blueprint. It always differs depending on our experiences. Develop facilitation skills and techniques as well as online course planning and design. So we will have a course project on this. So as I said, the duration of this course is for 3 weeks, and hopefully we will be on time. Okay, this will include 2 live sessions, so we'll have 2 webinars, and the minimum required number of online hours for a participant is at least 2 hours a day. Okay, 2 hours a day, so for a total of like 40 plus hours for the 3 weeks. Okay, but this will depend. You can go higher, you can spend more time online depending on your level of engagement with the teacher, with your classmates, and with the course materials. And of course, also the speed of your internet, if it's slow or fast. Okay, so we have the minimum requirements here. 9 minimum requirements, okay? At least two substantial posts for each of the 8 discussion forums. So that's a minimum of 16 posts, minimum. Instructions will be given for every discussion forum. Okay, number 2, participate in all online student activities, especially the required preliminary activities. Later, I will tell you about the social technographic profile survey and the introduction video. Submit 2 assignments. Of course, there will be assignments. And of course, we also have quizzes. Take 2 knowledge checks and then attend the 2 webinars. Participate in the group activity. There will be a group project, and of course an individual course delivery plan. We have a final exams and of course an evaluation form. I believe in evaluation. Course content, maybe you can just read through this. Later in the homepage, we will see the different topics that's also included here. And this This is a little bit detailed, of course, our syllabus. Then we go next to Code of Conduct. I'd just like to stress our Code of Conduct, showing respect and appreciating diversity. When writing your messages, please use the same courtesy that you would give when speaking face-to-face with someone. Insults, personal attacks, sarcasm, and inappropriate language will not be tolerated. Okay, it's fine to strongly disagree about someone's opinions, ideas, or facts, but it should always be carried out with respect for the other person. Okay, please make sure not to use capital letters, as this is interpreted as shouting. Okay. Furthermore, participants need to use proper referencing and acknowledgement of sources. Okay, so please don't attempt to plagiarize, because I'm very good in detecting plagiarism. Okay? And I want you to read this out loud as a pledge of your commitment to intellectual honesty. I just like you to read this out loud and hear yourself saying the next three sentences. Okay? Then next, if you have any problem, if you will encounter any problem throughout this class, you can email mcelearning_support@mc.edu.ph. We have Miss Sally Lakbay of our ICTO to assist us in our technical needs. Okay? You can also direct your email to me, or you can post at the support forum, and I will reply as soon as I can. Okay? You can email me at sheilalodingo@gmail.com. You can send me a private personal message at FB Messenger, or call me or text me in these numbers. Class policies, okay? So visit the online class every day and spend at least 2 hours. You can spread it out. You can start in the morning, 30 minutes at noon, 30 minutes in the afternoon, 30 minutes in the evening, okay? Class participation is the life of an online class. So if we do not exchange ideas, if we do not converse here in this class, we will not be able to learn. We learn from each other, okay? We read the materials, we view the videos, we listen to the audio, but we have to share it, we have to discuss it with each other, okay? So the more engaged we are, the higher our learning will be, okay? And it is given the most weight. If you want a higher grade, engage. Number 3, requirements of the class are enumerated, so just fulfill all the 8 or 9 requirements and you're gonna get a passing grade. Regularly check the latest news for announcements and updates. This will help you keep up with the class and get important information. Okay, that's the reason why it's very important for you to have your correct email, because notifications will be directed to your email. Okay, so after that, you need to do this today, the first day of class, the social technographic profile. So here it is. You just have to respond to this so that I'll be given an idea of your competency level and your comfort in handling an online class. Okay. Next, self-introductions. This will be like the first assignment. I don't know if you're familiar with Flipgrid. So this is a very nice application on video recording. So you can ask a question to your students. So this is how it looks like there. And just click on this, knowing me, knowing you. So let's do our self-introduction video to get to know each other. Please say your name, work organization, and what you do, your hobbies and interests, and some expectations of this course. Okay? You just make sure that your webcam and your audio, your microphone, are both working well so that we will see each other. So just click on this and you will also see my own introduction. Okay? And then, what else? Let's go back. Expectations here in the Padlet. So we'll learn new applications here, if you're not still aware of this. So it's just like a cork board. Just double click here and you can add your own. Okay? Share your thoughts and prior knowledge about online teaching and learning in 3 keywords. So I already placed my own there. Okay, so let's go back to our homepage. By the way, what I want you to do is first, when you enter, okay, my time is up. I'll see you later. Thanks.